Well, hello there. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be very creative. Well, more creative. Okay, hands-on creative. Which is going to be a lot of fun, but it could also be quite frustrating because I like hands-on kind of things, but I'm just not very good at them sometimes. So before I get started, this is not an original idea. I got the idea from a channel I'll link down below. Like I said before, I like watching videos where people show me how to take a picture, how they do it, and then they show me the picture. So I'm gonna make what Becky and Chris showed me how to make, and then show you my picture taking process. So to get to it, what I'm gonna make is a photogenic surface for food photography. To do this, I bought 4 pieces of wood. So the idea here is you can have these pieces of wood and they're pretty compact. It's not like a table, and you can store them anywhere. So it's a really good idea if you don't have much space. It's also perfect if you don't have any photogenic surfaces, which I don't, so this will be great. And it's really easy to do. First of all, this lighter side, I'm gonna paint it black, just because it'll have a really cool, moody feeling. Wood just looks good in black and with food. I'm just gonna do it because they did it. And then the other side is supposed to be kind of a dark brown. And what Becky and Chris did in their video was paint it dark brown. But I found a piece of wood that was already a really nice dark brown. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little and it'll be good to go. So I'm gonna paint black on one side. Once it's dry, it'll be ready. You don't put the boards together. Oh, by the way, I have 4 of these. You don't paste them together, you just place them together once you're ready for the pictures. I guess I'll just show you. So in order to not talk anymore, here we go. Always lay down newspaper before painting, so my mom would say. The boards are now dry. This is how it's gonna go down. I think it'll be easiest for video purposes and due to my lack of filming equipment to set up an entire scene on the wood that I think will look good. Once I think it looks good, I'll shoot and make some changes if I need to. Then I'll make another entire scene and shoot it, and so on until I get tired. But please do let me know in the comments if you have any tips for food photography, for flat lays especially, because it's something I want to get better at. See you in the next video. The boards are now dry. So now I must try to make art. But why? Just because